Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at a 2 glass door back bar cooler. Brand on this unit, our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Model for the unit, this is the BB2 model. Okay, it's going to be 2 glass doors on the front, swing doors. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, starting with the length. You're looking at a total of 35.5 inches of the length. From front to back, you're looking at 20 inches. Overall height for this unit, you'll be looking at 35.5 inches high. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the front. I'm going to go ahead and open up the doors, show you the inside. Now, also, we have locks for each door. You will be provided with keys so you can lock these doors as well. They are swing doors, as we mentioned. We're going to go ahead and open up these doors and show you the inside here. If you take a look at the very top on the inside, there's going to be one fan for the cooling. Okay, so this unit has one fan. You also have shelves that you will be provided with. Total of 4 shelves, 2 on each side. Okay, now inside measurements. From front to back, you're looking at a total of 13.5 inches, 13.5. Left to right, you're looking at 32.5 inches. And the overall height on the inside here, you're looking at a total of 29.5 inches, 29.5. Okay, so those are your measurements on the inside for this cooler. Okay, lastly, guys, I want to go ahead and show you the back of this unit. On the back, we'll be able to locate our plug for this cooler. It is a standard US plug. Now, also, we have a sticker over here on the right-hand side where you can locate circuit diagram. You have your certifications for the cooler as well. All the specs are going to be on this sticker, including model, voltage, frequency. As you can see, the model here is a standard US plug, so it runs at 115 volt. So that's going to be what's located on the back for this cooler. Now, if you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.